Hi, I'm Katie with Ask Slim. Yesterday, one of our Level 4 Plus members requested analysis on Raytheon Technologies. This is a company in the aerospace and defense industry, and this sector is one to keep your eye on now because many of these companies are setting up patterns similar to the one I'm going to show you here. This is a 5-year weekly chart of Raytheon. We have cycle brackets along the bottom that are 30 bars in length. Now these brackets are just a drawing tool that shows us an ideal cycle. The actual cycles are outlined in black up around the candlesticks. The purple vertical lines show where the cycle lows occurred, and you can then easily compare those with the ideal cycles to get some idea of their consistency. The blue vertical dashed lines over here on the right show a period of a few weeks around the end of the current cycle and the beginning of the next. We call this the cycle timing window, and this is generally when we expect the current cycle to make its low. That timing window ends at the end of this week, and you can see that Raytheon likely formed its cycle low here and is moving up into the rising phase of a new cycle. One of the tools we use to help us identify these cycle phases is our proprietary reversal scout, this green and purple ribbon on the chart. This is a momentum indicator, and notice how it turned negative here and here, for example, just after the cycle peaks had formed to let us know that the declining phase of the cycles had begun. Then it turned positive again after the cycle lows had formed to show us the rising phase. Now, all of these cycles since the pandemic low have been positively configured. That means they end higher than where they began. And each subsequent cycle has made a higher high. Now, the cycle that just ended made its low just here below the support zone. For that reason, I don't have it projected to make a higher high. Right now, we're projecting up to the 78.6% fib at about 102, and then we'll see if Raytheon can get through there. If it does, the next upside levels would be the cycle peak at about 106, and then an extension level up here at 108.85. Over on the daily chart, you can see that we have 46 bar cycles broken into minor half cycles. So you can see that we had a nice move up off of this cycle low, getting up into the middle of this short-term resistance zone, and then backing off. We have positive momentum with both the reversal scout as well as the slim ribbon. The slim ribbon colors the candles green, gray, or red, depending on momentum. And now we are consolidating downward sideways as we approach that minor cycle low timing as well as earnings. So if we can hold this support zone during that time, we would consider it a good long side opportunity setting up for a move to retest that high at 97.32 and possibly up to the top of the resistance zone around $99. To learn more about cycle analysis and all the tools and services we offer, please visit our website at askslim.com.